Hello, I'm Brian Lavin, president of NTS Development Company. NTS is more than a development and management company. We're a collection of unique properties, innovative people, and bold ideas.
NTS is a unique place to work because of its people. We have a saying, the sum of the parts is greater than anyone.
We don't allow experience and kind of the norms of each job to dictate who we hire. We try to go get the best talent and then surround them with all the expertise and all the support and training they need to be successful.
NTS is made up of 265 passionate employees who each have their own niche and collectively make a difference for our residents and tenants.
Our healthcare portfolio encompasses 3 different markets, 18 different buildings, and about 1.6 million square feet of medical office space.
Essentially at NTS, we're trying to create places where people want to be today, tomorrow, and for future generations.
One of the best things about going to work at NTS is just getting to see the properties. When you show up in the morning, people are always smiling, they're so active. You'll have people watering flowers, you'll have residents walking around, or if you're on an office building site, you'll have people going into work, and everybody just seems so happy.
To break it down, we manage 20 communities, 6,000 apartment homes, and 3.3 million square feet of commercial office space. I couldn't say enough good things about what a young person is going to experience coming into our company. We offer a wonderful platform to take people that are new in their careers and within 2 or 3 years' time, give them an experience that will last them a lifetime.
I've been here 27 years. I enjoy going to work every day. There's always some kind of challenge and opportunity, and my accomplishments are NTS's accomplishments.
Whether you're new to the company or been here 25 years like I have, being a part of this company is like being a part of a family.
2 years ago, my son had a terrible accident and we did not think that he was going to make it. One of the first people I reached out to was one of my coworkers and then also my boss, and within hours I had the entire company praying for my family and for my son. I did not have to worry about work at all during that time. I was able to focus solely on his recovery. I think because of the prayers that I received from this company, I mean, my son is here and he's thriving.
I love working at NTS. It's been a dream job for me. I've spent my entire career here at NTS, and there's no better place to work.
At NTS, we want to do more than just meet the needs of our residents. We want to provide an opportunity to elevate their lifestyle.
It has been said that the high quality expectations that we set for our projects are always exceeded in reality. It's one thing to have a low bar and to exceed that. It's another thing to have a best-in-class bar and to exceed that.
No concern is too big or too small to handle with care.
As a company, we've been together for almost 60 years. We have tremendous loyalty, tremendous continuity in our organization.
NTS is a place to call home, whether you're a team member, a resident, or a tenant.
I would absolutely recommend NTS as a place to work.
If I had to describe NTS with one word, it would be professional.
Resilient.
Excellence.
Legendary.
Loyal.
Passionate.
Value.
Family.